I am Shanta Sasri, Tulnada Esiri. Today we have to study the Sasnama. Uh, Two more classes I did. Today we have to study the Sasnama. That is Champaka Ashoka Punnaga Saugandhika Lasatkaja Kuravinda Manishteni Kanatkotira Mandita Ashtami Chandra Vibraja Talikastala Shobita. It means Champaka Ashoka Punnaga Saugandhika Lasatkaja. She Mata Jagadamba Lalitambike put on the flowers. Which flowers? Champaka, Ashoka, Punnaga, Saugandhika. These flowers are she put on to her hair. This very attractive flowers. That's very very fragrance, and these flowers are coming from the Swarga. That is flowers are beautiful and very it gives fragrance. So Ma Lalitambike put on these flowers, Champaka, Ashoka, Punnaga, Saugandhika, to her hair. Then next, Kuravinda Manishteni Kanatkotira Mandita. Kuravinda Manishteni. Kuravinda Manishteni means she wore kirita. Kirita matlab crown it she wore. So precious stone in her crown. There is so many precious stones, monies. So Padmaraga, that is money. We are calling that is Padmaraga money. Precious Padmaraga money. Very attractable. Ma Lalitambika's Kirita, that's crown. It has Padmaraga money. Very attractable, very beautiful. She has the Kirita. Ma Jagadamba has the Kirita, the crown. Then next one, Ashtami Chandra Vibraja Dalikastala Shobita. That means our forehead like Ashtami Chandra. Very beautiful forehead, not like husband, and no one woman has such a forehead. So Ma Jagadambe Lalitambike only has such a forehead like Ashtami Chandra. Ashtami Chandra Vibraja Dalikastala Shobita. Where Ashtami Chandra Vibraja Dalikastala Shobita. That she, the Ma Jagadamba, her forehead like Ashtami Chandra. And that type very attractable that forehead she has. So Ma is very beautiful, that much beautiful, very very beautiful. Ma Jagadambe Lalitambike means Trishakti, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Kali.